Hey, what's up y'all? Seaweed here, back with another video, sharing some healthy snacks that you can eat. So we'll start with almond butter and banana. My brother got this almond butter with honey in it, which tastes pretty good. It was almost gone after the first day. You can also eat normal almond butter with banana and it will still taste good. Just slice the banana up into small pieces, then add some almond butter, and make small sandwiches with them. Almonds are great because they have vitamin E, which will reduce oxidative stress in the body, and protein for building muscle. Bananas have potassium, which will help lower your blood pressure. This is a great snack that you can eat anytime and a great alternative to processed sugar. Number 2, olives. I've been experimenting with olives. Usually I would just use olive oil with food, but olives are better because they're less processed. Olives contain monounsaturated fat that will increase good HDL cholesterol while satisfying your appetite. Olives are low in calories, containing about 4 calories each. Our bodies use more energy to digest an olive, making it the perfect food for losing weight. Grab a handful and enjoy, eat throughout the day. Number 3, vegetable salad. Grab a variety of different vegetables: spinach, carrots, lettuce, onions, and tomatoes. You can also add olives and dressing of your choice or eat it raw. Vegetables are great because they have a wide variety of nutrients and your body will feel replenished after eating them. Moving on to number 4, a variety of different fruit or fruit salad. Grab some grapes, cherries, banana, oranges, watermelon, and mix them together. This makes a great snack, replenishing fluids and electrolytes in our body. And number 5, seaweed. Seaweed is a food that I've been experimenting with too. It tastes like thin chips from the sea. Seaweed is great to eat if you sweat a lot, to replenish sodium and reduce cramps, especially if you're exercising in hot environments. So experiment with these foods. This is Seaweed signing out. Go,